I'm Annabeth, one of the dancers from the National Dance Company Wales, and I've been here for 3 years now, and I've grown as an artist so much since I've been here, because I've had the privilege to work with exceptional dancers and very, very inspiring choreographers that have challenged me physically and mentally to the extremes. And yeah, it's just such a fulfilling job to be here, to be in such a welcoming company, such a welcoming country. Yeah, it's really special. This is my home now, so I'm very happy to be here. We get to tour to very, very nice places. Since I've been in the company, I've been to Ireland, Scotland, Switzerland. We got to go to China, and just now, in the last tour, we went to India, which was exceptional. Well, being able to perform in London is always a very special experience, because well, I trained in London, so I have a lot of background there, and London is always buzzing, and it's always really exciting to perform there. Meeting the other dancers was really exciting, because it kind of already started to put the whole project into place, and it was like the first spark of it, and knowing that we're gonna collaborate in some way or form, like being able to be on tour, watching each other work with very different companies, and yet we're all dancers, and so we've all got so much to learn from each other and inspire each other, and knowing that we're going to be working together for such a long time and going on tour, and they were really nice, and it was a lot of fun to meet them, and first bit of working together, very excited. I'm very nervous about working with Christopher Bruce, because nervous in a very, very good, excited way, because I studied at Rambert, so when he was director, so I've watched the company, Rambert Dance Company, when he was directing it. I've watched his work, I've followed him, and I can't believe that I have this opportunity to work with him, someone who's created such beautiful work with dancers, and I have a chance to work with him, so it's a one-in-a-lifetime experience.